Hi, Renee. This is Jeff with Zucker Marketing. Thank you so much for making time to talk with me earlier today. And as promised, here's your website analysis. So, we'll be going over some few things that can actually help you rank higher, bring you more traffic, and of course, get you more customers. So, let's start off with your website. You actually have a pretty good looking website. So, you have your logo here, you have pretty good layouts, nice photos, good amount of content. So, there's actually just some few other things we're going to get over for us to make sure we get you on top of the search list. Well, one thing I can tell you right off the bat is that Google loves content. Google actually would like to see a minimum of 1,500 words on a homepage. And in addition to this, the more content you'll have, the more you look like an expert in Google's eyes. So, of course, if you want to beat out the competition, you'd want to have 1,500 words or more. So let's go ahead and do a quick count just for us to see how many words you have on your homepage. All right, so currently you only have 115 words. Um, Unfortunately, we're still quite behind with the goal of 1500. So one of our main focus now would be adding more words to your homepage. That way, Google will actually consider your website a trustworthy website. Another thing I would like to talk about are keywords. So Google is actually looking for keywords. It's looking for what the site should be found for. So if you have the exact words listed multiple times on your website, you're going to be really relevant for that search. And of course, Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. So I actually did a quick search of the construction company in your area. So we'll be talking more about the results that we have here. Starting off with the first one. So this is actually what we call the map pack. So as I can see, you're already listed on the map pack. One way for you to actually be higher in the rankings on the map pack is you'll need to enter or put your information in as many directories as possible, like on Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie.com, so on and so forth. That will really help you a lot to boost your website on the map pack searches. Moving on to the next part, these are what we call the organic searches. So these are actually all the website that ranks higher without people paying for any ads, just because they're doing some certain things. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about and analyze. So I pulled up one of your top competitors' website and we'll discuss what they're doing differently. So looking at their website, they also have a good website. So they have their logo here, they have good photos, nice layout, good amount of content. So let's go ahead and dig deeper with the numbers instead. So this is Ahrefs, one of the paid tools that we're actually using for us to have some more information on the back end of your website. We'll be talking more about the numbers. So let's start off with DR. So this would be the level of trust that Google has in your website, and UR would be the strength of your website. Backlinks, on the other hand, these are other websites that refers to your website. So they're like shoutouts from different directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and alike. I also have your competitor's website. Here we'll be comparing the numbers and we'll see what they have differently. So looking at DR and UR, it actually shows that Google finds their website a much more stronger website and a more trustworthy website as well. And the reason for that is because even though you have more backlinks, they actually have more keywords, which resulted to more traffics. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk more about keyword and let's discuss the importance of having the right keyword on your website. So as you can see, these are all the keywords they have listed on their website. So when customers search for these specific words, their website will show on top of the list. And if you also look at the numbers under volume, these are all the hits or clicks that they're getting with the help of each keyword. So that's actually how important in choosing the right keyword is. That way, more customers will be able to find your website faster and easier. Another thing I would like to share about keywords is what we call the hidden keyword. So let's go ahead and use this photo as an example. So if we save this photo and instead of, naming it with a generic file name, you can actually rename it with a hidden keyword. And you can do the same thing with the other photos you have here. That way you'll have more keywords on your website. And not only that, for those words to not to be repetitive as well. So just to wrap things up, the most important things that we can definitely do to improve your ranking would first be the amount of content wherein we're going to add more words to your homepage. That way, Google will actually consider your website a stronger website and a much more trustworthy website. Last but not the least would be the keywords, wherein we're going to help you out in choosing the right keywords to appear on your website. That way, more customers will be able to find your website faster and easier. Last but not the least would be adding more keyword or adding more backlinks, wherein we're going to add your information to more directories as possible. That way, we can bring you more traffic, and not only that, for us to get your website boosted and be on top of the map pack results as well. So that's actually all that I have for now. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us or email us back so that we can tell you the next steps and the other things that we can do. Thank you so much for your guys' time. You all have a wonderful day. Bye.